The first step in changing the ink roller in your imprinter is to make sure the unit is unplugged. Then you'll need some materials, a new ink roller, and either a cloth or a piece of paper to move the ink roller. The next step is to remove the protective mask. The next step is to move the ink roller to the center using the cloth or piece of paper. Pull up on the chain to release the ink roller and remove the roller bearing. Remove the old ink roller using the cloth or paper, then put the new one on. Replace the roller bearing and put the ink roller back on the chain. Take your towel or piece of paper and move the ink roller to one side. Then replace the protective shield. Discard the old supplies and plug the unit back in.